Today we're going to talk about the harmonics on classical guitar, specifically natural harmonics and artificial harmonics. These bell-like tones add a beautiful ethereal sound to your playing, and understanding how to produce them properly will really expand your expressive range. By the end of this video, you will know the difference between the two and how to play them effectively. So let's dive in! So what are natural harmonics? These are produced by lightly touching the string at specific points, called notes, without pressing down. When you pluck the string, it vibrates in segments, creating a higher pitch, bell-like tone instead of the usual open string note. The easiest place to play a natural harmonic is directly over the 12th fret, where the string vibrates in 2 equal halves. You can also find strong natural harmonics at the 7th fret and at the 5th fret. We can also play natural harmonics on the 2nd fret, 3rd, 4th and 9th, but some of these positions are a lot harder to get a good sound from. The 9th. We have the 4th fret, and the harmonic is not right above the fret, but a little bit behind. Then we have the 3rd fret, which will have harmonics in front, but also behind. And then the 2nd fret, we find the harmonics in front, and they are very hard to get nice and clear. And of course, what we can find in here on the fretboard, it repeats higher up in here. Here are some examples. To play a harmonic, follow these steps. First, lightly touch the string directly above the fret wire. Not in between the frets like the normal note, but right on it. And then pluck the string with your right hand. Immediately lift your left hand finger after plugging to let the harmonic ring clearly. What are artificial harmonics? Now let's talk about artificial harmonics. Unlike natural harmonics, which only work in fixed position, artificial harmonics allow you to create harmonics anywhere on the fretboard. These are especially useful when composers want harmonic on fretted notes rather than open strings. So how do we play these artificial harmonics? Fret the note with your left hand, as you usually do, and with your right hand, touch the string exactly 12 frets above the fretted note. We have two ways to go around the right hand. One, and the most common, is to use the index finger to touch a string and the third finger to pluck it. This works very well on the trebles, and you can have a very nice clean sound. But if you do the same on the basses, it's going to feel very scratchy because of the material of the bases. In that case, we use very often to put the index as well, but instead of the third, we will use the thumb here behind. This technique is widely used in pieces by Villalobos, Barrios, and more modern composers like Brouwer to create this dreamy, flute-like effect. Knowing how to play harmonics on classical guitar is pretty essential since they are all over the repertoire. In fact, we have a problem that different composers wrote it differently in the score, so it's a little bit hard to understand sometimes what each composer means. So stay tuned for next part, because I'm going to explain to you all the different ways of writing that composer had, so anytime you have a doubt, you can come back to the video and check how composers were intending you to read the harmonics. So stay tuned for the video, it's gonna come very soon. I hope you enjoy it, I hope you like it, and if you find it valuable, please give a like, subscribe to the channel, because there is more to come. And that's a quick review on natural harmonics. They can add depth, color, and unique textures to your playing. So take your time experimenting with them, and if this video helped, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions or future topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing!